Hey everybody, it's Arlen from Lazy Day Raft Rentals. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we'll be doing a series of videos on how to keep safe on the boat. Today we'll start with paddling. Let's start with the paddle itself. The proper way to grip the paddle is to hold the T-handle on the top firmly and grip the shaft halfway down. When you're paddling, you want to put the blade in and pull it forward. And here's the side view. Now let's learn how to steer the boat. For a gradual left-hand turn, the right side will paddle. In order to make a quick turn or a pivot, the right side can paddle forward and the left side paddle backwards in unison. This will spin your boat in a circle. To stop your raft, put your blade in the water and hold it steady. Hey, thanks for watching today. That was a very basic paddling instruction, but that's enough to get you down the bow safely. If you want more advanced information, please go to the description below. We also have some safety information there as well. And don't forget, if you get up here and you're still a little bit unsure, our team will be happy to give you a lesson. Thanks for tuning in. Lazy Day Rafts, Calgary, Alberta, Canada.